viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a simple gravy which you can pair it with chapathi as side dish. Let's get into the preparation. In a pan, add 20 ml of oil. On top of it, add 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute them until they turn into golden brown color. Later, we need to add tomatoes. I have taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Today I am preparing for a quantity of 3 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirements. Now add the tomatoes and cook them until they become soft. Next add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. For making it into a gravy and flavor lock recipe, we will be adding coriander leaves powder or coriander leaves paste. Today I am going to add coriander leaves paste. Once the mushrooms become soft, add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half a spoon of coriander seeds powder. Give a nice mix and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, take a blender jar, add handful of coriander leaves, blend them into a paste and add it on top of the sauteed mushrooms. Give a nice mix and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, you can add cream or butter. Adding cream or butter is completely optional. That's it, very simple and easy. Chapati side dish recipe, coriander mushroom gravy is ready to serve. You can pair it with fried rice as well. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.